2, 3,
Hi, this is Mike from QDC. Well, the machine arrived right on time and has started pulling this field. Let's take a closer look. As the machine moves through the field, it removes tassels from 8 rows at a time. Notice the pulling heads going up and down, adjusting to the height of the corn. In good conditions, it moves along pretty quickly and can cover a lot of ground in a few hours. You can see a lot of tassels getting removed by the machine, but not all of them. That's why we have to come in and detassel. Check out the difference between the rows that have been machined and those that haven't yet. Machining can reduce the height of the corn from between 6 and 12 inches. Machining does a good job of removing a lot of the tassels, but we have to get it to almost 100%. Only people can do that. Thanks for watching. Mike out.